Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel World Info Center, and today we are going to discuss the differences between the Wix and the WordPress, and we are going to learn in this video that how we can create our own website on Wix. So first of all, we are going to discuss the importance of the websites in our businesses. As you know that today is the modern era, and living in the digital world, a website is crucial for any businesses. If you have any business and do not have a website, you are probably losing out on opportunities for your business. A website can be used to accomplish many different marketing strategies to help your business grow. The web has a far more extensive reach than any other form of advertising. Your website will be the center of your company's online presence. You can advertise your business around the web, on social networking sites, forums, and through pay-per-click advertising programs. Having a website and online presence strategies allows you to market your business online. A website is also important because it helps to establish credibility as a business. Websites usually provide a map and directions to the company's shops or offices for visitors to find their localities as well. Another important thing is that you have the scope to represent your customers, why they should trust you, and the and why they are going to buy from your shops or whatever. If you are running a store, then obviously it will be a store. Nowadays people are busy and also smart. They have no time to visit the shops or your uh, the small, uh, you can say that if you are running a small shop in a mall, they search on the internet to know about the product or services before purchasing. They can know about the brand, feature, prices, sizes, colors through your websites. So, if you are going to run any business, the website is the most important thing for you. So, guys, if you have heard before regarding Wix, it's probably through their advertising. They are going a lot of advertisement nowadays. So if we are going to discuss about the differences between the Wix and the WordPress, so we can say that Wix is an easy to use site builder with flexible designs, ideal for portfolio type of websites. Building a large site is not recommendable as the editor tends to become slow with too many pages. On the other hand, WordPress allows you to create much large websites but requires more technical knowledge. So in simple words, we can say that WordPress is only a content management system. So it's also called CMS. It's a centralized management system where you can manage your content only. On the other hand, if you we are going to discuss about the Wix is basically is a site builder. It's just drag and drop game. It's user interface is very easy. You can place your own pictures, even that you can manage your content as well on the Wix. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can create website on Wix. So here we go on the Google, and we are going to search only Wix. Then the wix.com will be the second link on the Google. Here it is, wix.com. You have to go on this link. Then this screen will pop up and it will say get started. So we have to click on that button, get started. And what else we have to do? Here I'm gonna attach this website through my Google account. So I'm just gonna simply click on continue with Google. Now it is going to link with my Google ID. Here we go, and this screen will shows up. You can simply skip this one. Then there will be, two basically types in which we can, make a website. The first will be ADI. In this so there will be two options. The first one is ADI, artificial design intelligence. And this type, you just have to do nothing. But what Wix is gonna do, they are going to design your own website. You just have to describe the type of the nature of the business of yours. They are going to create a template, so you can simply use that and you can create your own website. On the other hand, if we are going into the editor, then what we have to do, we have to place the content, we have to place the images, we have to manage all the things by our on of to our end. So here I am going to select choose a template. Now what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna pick up a template. There are, as you can see that there are number of templates on the website. There are different categories regarding your business. So like you can choose the type of the business, that what type of business you are doing, the nature of the business what you are doing. As I am doing a real estate business, so I'm gonna choose real estate. So what they gonna do, they gonna show me some templates regarding real estate. As you can see that there are number of templates regarding the real estate as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick this one. So first of all, you can view as well that how this template is look like. And if you are going to direct into the edit option, so you have to click on the edit like this one. It will take some time as the template is running. It will take just I think 1 to 2 minutes only. Then it shows like this. As you know, this template is open now, and you can see that there is proper uh, sections like services, like about your business, when your business established. So what we have to do, we just have to do put our data in this template. So until now, this was the first tutorial regarding Wix. So we are going to move on in the next video. Then so until now, what we have done, we have just linked our Gmail with Wix website, and we have select our nature of business, and we have select the template. That template already exists on their website. So in our next video, we are going to show you guys that how we can place images, how we can put our data into this template. So wait until our next video. Thanks for your time.